She's gonna get you again. All I have to do is that would be terrible if I wasn't expecting him to fall back. You're just putting on now.
Such a clown.
Yeah, that would hurt so bad if you fell on the floor. Whew. That would hurt. That's pretty. That's pretty.
Ethan,
That's pretty.
blow kisses. Blow kisses. Mwah.
Go, Mama, kiss.
Oh, blow kisses.
Where's the butterfly? Where's the butterfly? Where's the butterfly? Say butterfly.
Where is he?
Butterfly. Butterfly.
Look at Mama. Look at Mama.
Oh, it's not picture. Video.
Where we go?